Did you know living in the village is just a blessing? That's what I can say. And these are the gates that you usually pass here. There is time now. Welcome to another video. My name is Grace Mission. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Talk live from the village. This is my village home, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click that like button so that when I upload another video, guys, you'll get notified about the amazing videos that are coming here from the village. Moto. Wow. So yeah, I was just heading somewhere, and I think like the sun is big today. I don't know how the weather is going to be because I feel like it is hot, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming always to support me. I really appreciate the love that you usually show me always, and I don't complain. Otherwise, God bless you. May we continue praying to each other as you come to watch this video or the next video. Yeah. So guys, I'm coming from over there where that boy is heading to. And this is how the village looks. It's very glittering, very lovely, as you can see. Sometimes we go all over there, maybe to when you are going to the waterfall, we pass there all over there and again. And this is how the village looks, guys. Oh yeah. Actually, we are here, so today we are going to cook mandazi, duck mandazi, and we're going to use achap. Achap is our best flour here at the village. So today, this one here is $1 and 10 shillings. $1 and 10 shillings. After that, I'll have to add sugar. Yeah, I like to add salt because the flour is not that much. I love to add salt. After that, this is how we pack sugar here at the village. This one here is 10 shillings. Ooh, yeah, the village life. Hey. So we add sugar because everyone here at the village likes sugar. That's why I can add the sugar. All of it actually. After that, I love to add a food color. Kidogo. This is the food color, so I add like this. Yeah, that is it. And then I'll add cooking oil. That's my style actually. Enjoy the video as you watch until the end. After the cooking oil, I like to add baking powder. This is baking powder. Like when you have this one takes for 4 kgs and this is 1 kg, and I didn't put the all of it, so I like to add on my size, as the unga says. Yeah, after that I mix. Guys, because I don't have a mixer, that's why I am using my hand. I do like this because of the oil, maybe to go inside and like to mix everything like this. If I could have a mixer, I would have just did it like this. But then I love to use my hand. Yeah. After that, now we have to add water. This is warm water. You can see even the smoke coming out. You mix like this. Now the dough is ready. We have to wait for some 15 minutes and then we shall start cooking. Guys, now the oil is ready. Now we have to start cooking. And this is how we do it here at the village. Don't worry about the frying pan. It is too tiny, but then let's see what comes out of it. So here we are. The video, so I thought that I should do this. We are having it for lunch, guys, and I don't know how other people got have it as breakfast. So guys, here I have corianders, I have tomatoes, and these are spring onions, and we are going to cook saucy. So let me cut my dhania, coriander, that's what how they call them. And then I have to cut the spring onions. Yes. So we cut the tomatoes. I've already guys, I had already washed them. So that I add salt, like this much here. Tomato. Guys, this one is ready. I put the sauce inside. Remember this. So with that, sorry, I'll have to cover it maybe for some time. After that, we shall add the coriander. We have to add the dhania like this. After that, we start like this. We don't need to wait. It is just ready. Yeah. It's ready for serving like this. you can never fade, kind of.